Laboratory-grade aspen chips. The choice of many professional herpetologists. Hypo-allergenic, containing no harmful oils. Chip size makes spot cleaning easy. Ideal for snakes, monitors, skinks and geckos. Heat-treated aspen chips are ultra-absorbent. Zilla Snake and Lizard Litter is a bedding that is laboratory-grade and the choice of many professional herpetologists. The heat-treated aspen chips are ultra-absorbent, dust-free, and hypoallergenic, containing no harmful aromatic oils and is 100% natural. Top reviews from the United States. Like cat litter for reptiles, it's great. I have to say, this has drastically improved my snake tank cleanup routine. It holds the moisture better than the big shavings, preventing the runny snake poop from spreading across the bottom of the enclosure, and the urates soak into the little chips and kinda clump up, and I now use a cat litter scoop for spot cleaning, which is way quicker and easier than having to dig out poops with a paper towel or a plastic baggie like I did before. Plus, the hognose snakes appear to love digging in this stuff. They go wild zipping around in this substrate, I think because it flows more like sand or loose soil, and they enjoy the ease of movement through it. Also, I feel like it has less pungent scent than the big aspen shavings when it's damp.